Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can download XAMPP for Windows 11. The first thing that we need to do is go to apachefriends.org where we can download this application. Once we are here, over here we have the XAMPP for Windows button. If we click on it, we will probably start downloading the installer after a few seconds. If it doesn't work, you can click here. In my case it showed after like 5 or 10 seconds, and that's fine, we can save it. But you can also click here if it doesn't work, and then you will open this SourceForge page. You can either click on download latest version over here, which is once again the same installer, or you can click on XAMPP Windows, and if we go into that folder we have different version. You want to use the latest one, and then we have different variants. So for instance, if you want to use the portable version for Windows, then that's completely fine. We have the 7-zip as well as the installer, which is also portable, the XAMPP portable version. So it's up to you which one you prefer. If you want to simply install it and not worry about anything, then click on the download latest version. And after that, we should be able to download the installer. Once you download the installer, we can run it. You might see this warning information about the installation path. So keep in mind that it is not recommended to install it on C/program files. Try to use another folder. Now after that we want to click next. Over here we have components. Ideally you want to install everything, so we can go next. And now we have the folder where we want to install XAMPP. In my case I'm gonna switch to and let's click next. And then we can also choose the language. We have two options at this moment, English and German. So let's go next, and now we are installing files. And once we are done, we can start the control panel after closing the setup. So we can press finish, and we should immediately start the XAMPP control panel. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.